Heartland Folks challenge for time. This is the main challenge for his Wade Auto. Challenge live. Mini's been running one for this one. Mini on top, Stephen on the bottom, copying that list. End of the randomizer, 7:33 PM local times. Mini on top, Stephen on the bottom, dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. 11 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times Bryce on top one more time, 334, congrats 2. Spot 2, mini winners picked it up, maybe 11 times, did go 11 times, verification code at the bottom. Spot 2, mini winner has picked it up, congrats, I won't spoil it. Challenge complete.